Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your to-do list today. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and make my bed. I do this every single morning. It just helps me have a much more productive day, and it makes the bedroom feel so much cozier once the bed's made, and then I can crack on with the washing. I do only have the one wash load today. I'm trying to keep on top of it and not let it build up too much. So once that's in, I can then carry on with the kitchen. I've got a little bit of washing up to do, but I just want to wipe over the sides, all the cupboards and drawers and everything, and just make it nice and fresh, ready for the day.
Another day in my rhyme, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile, so I can do a dance and make us both forget, only to start it up and play it out again. It's like a long dream. You're on the there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me every time I see.
So once I had all that done, I just wanted to go over the sides with my Flash all-purpose spray and just make sure that everything was nicely disinfected, ready for the day. But I can't wait to run out of this now. I've been using it all winter, and I know that it is only January, but I can't wait for spring and summer now. I always feel like as soon as Christmas is over, I just want summer to start. I love the warmer months, so I'm really looking forward to decorating for spring as well. Let me know down in the comments if you decorate for spring or if you have the same decor up all year. I'd never used to decorate for spring. I think I only did it last year, which was the very first year, but I'm already planning what I want to do. It is only going to be little subtle touches of spring throughout the house, because you know that I do love to have a minimal home. But if you do like decorating videos, definitely do stick around by subscribing so you don't miss all of my spring summer content.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole.
Once I had the kitchen nice and clean, I then headed through into the front room to do the same in here. This room is always looking very dishevelled. It never looks very put together, so I just need to whiz round, do a quick tidy, put in all the cushions and throw blankets and everything back where they belong, and just get in the front room looking more cosy, put together and ready for the day.
Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open.
I do love having a good dust and a hoover, and I'm pretty sure I say this all the time, so if you've been here before, I probably sound like a broken record, but I absolutely love dusting and hoovering. I think it makes such a difference to the room, and I also feel like hoovering can just make the space feel so much bigger than it is. I don't know if that's just me, but dusting and hoovering and also cleaning the kitchen sink are definitely my favourite things to do.
No matter what you do,
once that was done, it was time to hang up the washing, and we do go back downstairs because I've got a few more bits that I wanted to get done in the front room, but I wanted to get this hung up straight away so it didn't crease too much because I'm not the best at ironing anyway, so I don't want to make it really creased and make it even harder for myself. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang this up before we can then head back down and finish in the front room.
Dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. When we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. When we're floating up like helium.
So I completely forgot to put the washing up away, and I have no idea how, because I must have been looking at it and then just walked away from it. I don't really know what happened there, but I'm going to crack on and put that away so the kitchen is completely finished. And then I head through, and I really wanted to get the double doors done today because it's been a little while since I've given them a good clean, and they just make the whole room smell amazing once I've done that. And also I don't do them that often, so if I get it done today, I then don't have to worry about them for a while and they'll just be done. But because they're such a big feature in the front room, I try and keep on top of them and try and keep them clean. So I'm just going to go in and clean the frame with some diluted Zaflora. I'm using the Zesty Lemon, I think it's called. It just smells so fresh and clean. I love the scent of orange and lemon. I think it lingers, if that's the right word to use, for a lot longer than other scents. So I definitely like using it on the door because it helps the whole room smell so beautiful for so much longer. So I just use the diluted Zaflora on pretty much everything while I want to clean around the house. I even use it on the banisters and the skirting boards, and it just makes the whole house smell beautiful.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass.
So these doors always get so much worse than I think they are. They don't ever look that bad, but whenever I clean them, so much stuff comes off of them. So I'm really glad that I got to it today. I'm now just going to go in and clean all of the windows with some kitchen roll and the Method spray in the fragrant mint. I absolutely love this. I use it in all of the bathrooms. It smells so fresh and clean. So I'm just going to wipe over all the windows, getting rid of any smudges and any fingerprints, and just leave them looking nice and fresh.
We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we try to stay in
Cleaning off those doors makes such a huge difference, and I never realised how dirty they are until I clean them off, but the whole room just smells absolutely beautiful. And I'm now going to go ahead and clean this off. I'm just going to use the cotton wool pads to try and get all of the wax out of the top, and then go ahead and add this one. This is the Yankee Candle Clean Cotton, but it's not actually the fragrance that I want, so I am going to go ahead and add some of my orange zest to it, because orange is without a doubt my favourite scent for the home. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. So I'm just going to try and clean it all out, add those to it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it just makes the whole room smell of orange.
It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed, we were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you back here in the next one.